Push! Go! Pop it!
Lights out.
What are you gonna wire it up good? Christ. Did it start?
No.
It wasn't
The
choking?
light was out.
Good, having a good time?
Yeah.
Light on?
No. Not down here, or not up here, now it is.
Try to get a truck to the camera, it's pretty cool. Shut the hood. Run!
Don't shut the hood, the jack isn't tied down.
Don't shut the hood! Or put the jack away or something.
Now it's right, because that seatbelt light came on.
Is it still on?
No. Disconnect wherever you connect it. Whatever you had touching that before, I did it. Yep.
Shift lights on.
That's all you want?
Quiet.
Yeah, see that red light on.
Be quiet.
No!
Yes.
No!
No, 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 no. Say
No, 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 no!
it. You gotta do. Wave your hands when you do it.
No, 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 no!
No, be in front of you like this.
No, 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 no!
No, side to side, Charlie, like you used to do.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I do think so.
No, 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 no!
It's awful.
If I can push it with my truck.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a toe strap, I said.
You don't need a toe strap.
Just push it from behind.
Yeah.
If I can have light.
Lost some shits, Charlie.
Whatever you were connecting to, man.
I know what I'm doing. I just had to wrap it around it.
Look at that. Look. Look at your truck. Look at the camera.
I see it.
Earthquake. Right. Yeah, there you go.
What does it look like? Jesus.
Stand in front of it.
Stand in front of it?
In front of the truck.
Like this?
Keep going, back up.
You see me, did you?
Yeah, I can, barely. Looks like a police truck.